everybody, my name is Cheri. Welcome to my stamp studio. Right now I am going to show you for those of you that have signed up for my Try It class, what you're going to get. It's about ready to go in the mail, and if you're not getting the mailed version, then it'll kind of give you an idea of what you want to pull together so you can complete your projects with just the PDF and the videos. For my Try It class, it's for these two catalogs. We will start with Saleabration. That way, Saleabration is, we're about 2 weeks into it. It started on the 5th of January. It ends at the end of February. So I want to make sure you get those projects done first. And then we'll just go in order of the catalog. So the first project will be with the Day at the Farm paper. And then we have the Favored Flowers paper and then the giant stack. I always forget the Dandy Designs. And then we'll move on and we'll go again in order through this catalog. I think when I do your class, I always write the notes in my catalog. That way it's right there where I need to see it. So you might want to have these handy as you watch the videos. Then you can just take notes and put them in there. If you do my retreats, I give you some place to take notes. This one has so much stuff in it that there's really no place that you can put them on the PDF. Now, your packages currently all look just like this. We will be putting them in the mailing packages tonight and adding your sweet treat. So when you get it, if you've not done my classes before, especially the Try It class, it's very important, and people always laugh at me, that when you get it, you leave this stuff in this order. So you'll pull this out. You'll get all the new ribbons. There's all the new embellishments. And on the 12 projects, we will use them all. You want to see your 12 projects? I'll show you your 12 projects. They're sitting here. They're kind of all, because there's a lot of fun folds, it's kind of hard to keep them in a nice little stack. But we'll do, you can see there's our farm. There's lots of folds. Super fun. But then you can see here, when you pull this out, your embellishments are in here. I would leave the embellishments on their own, and then you might just take the ribbon out and stretch it out. That way it won't be all kinky. It shouldn't be too bad. And then here, you'll see this project starts. Here's your first project. So you'll always pull out the largest piece of paper, and then everything on top of it is for that project. So here is our project for the Day at the Farm. And then there's the flowers. So you'll just each time pull it out. And I know there's a huge, like, you want to see what's in the packet. So if you do that, you can. But again, I would just kind of look at this project and flip it over, and look at the next project and flip it over. Sometimes in mailing, some of these tiny pieces may get, what do they say on the cereal box? The contents may shift during packaging. But for the most part, everything that you need for a project is right on top. That way you can spend your time putting your cards together and not having to figure out what goes back with what. So just kind of keep it in there. It's marked here, so if you don't get them all done and you want to slide your embellishments back in here, then when you're ready to pick it back up, you know exactly what videos you're looking for. All of the videos that will come to you, because there's a lot for this class. When you do 12 projects, you should get 6 videos just for the projects, and then there's a couple of other videos that you'll get. They will all say January 2023 Try It class in the title. That way you have this, you can search your email and you won't lose anything. The supplies that you need for this class, super, super minimal. You're gonna need some glue or glue dots, and then your adhesive. And then I like to use this, especially when those embellishments, when I cut them apart, they're on those tiny little pieces. It helps to hold it and then pick them up with your putty tip. And then I like to have a small ruler as well as a big one. So I have this kind too. That way, because there's some folding and some scoring and some diagonals in a fun folds class. So you'll want to have that. Then to get nice folds, you'll want that. Of course, your scissors. And then you are going to need a paper trimmer and a paper scorer. So if you have this, it does both. Then you will find there's no stamping, of course, on any of these cards, but there are a couple of places where you can put a sentiment. But I would just wait till you're done with the cards and then go back and find out what matches that the best. So for those of you that are taking the class, like I said, they should be in the mail Wednesday. The PDFs and the videos won't be to you until at least Thursday, maybe Friday, but I'm going to get them in the mail to you before. So by the time I have the finishing touches on all of the rest of it, you are ready to go. And you'll have it right there. Once I send them, you'll have tracking, so you can go back and check your tracking And I think that's it. I'm really looking forward to it. You're going to love this class. There's some super fun products in this catalog. If you didn't sign up for the class and you're interested, I always make a couple of extra packets for first. You get a free one if you sign up to be on my team, because it's a perk of being on my team. You always, as a member of my team, you can get one free. So you can get one that way with that spare set of packets, and I don't have very many of them left because I've already had a couple of those taken. And then I do a couple of extra for shipping in case anything would happen. But those I hold on to till everybody has their packet, just to make sure. But you can sign up for it, just the PDF, and that link is in the videos. It's still up on my website, and it'll be in my email that you get for this. That's it. I'm going to start getting the rest of it, so you'll have these soon. By the end of the week, you can be stamping. Have a great one. Bye.